got the door here for the gym. Oh, cool. For the HVAC, yeah. This is for the utility, for the pump. Yeah, that one. Bathroom. Friday, June 28th. They put all the doors in trim except the French door there. This is gonna be the gym room. We have the crown molding, the French doors, the soundproof room. They put the crown molding here. This is the shoe room. Closet here, the window. Yeah. Okay. I wonder why they didn't finish this. Maybe there's not enough material here? I guess. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello, how's it going?
Doing good. I'm the electrician. I was talking, I guess, is that your dad?
My dad, yes.
Talking to your dad, and I told him, I was like, I don't see a surge protector in y'all's panel. Y'all know what a surge protector is?
We use surge protector.
Basically, you get a lightning strike or you get a power surge from the power company. Instead of it frying your appliances and TVs and different electronics.
We buy those, right? Like a little.
So, I know exactly what you're talking about. You're talking about like the little power strip. Yeah. This one protects the whole house.
Okay.
So I didn't know if that was an option y'all wanted. He was down here and I was like, let me throw it out there. So I didn't know. Y'all saw, I got one right here. Let me show you. How's everything working out for y'all so far?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Travis treating y'all good? He better. This right here is a surge protector. What this do is you can mount it on the exterior of the panel or you can mount it on the inside. And whenever it has a power surge, this takes the blunt of all the voltage coming in that's trying to fry something.
Oh, okay.
So I just figured I'd throw that out there if y'all was kind of curious.
Sounds like a good idea, but like how much is it?
So this one is the medium. We got a good, better, and best. Good, better. This one right here is $600 a piece. So you have two panels, you would need two.
Oh.
So that'd be $1,200. We do financing, or if you right now y'all got one panel that's more important than the other on like appliances and stuff like that, you can protect just one. But I look at it as more of an investment.
We just buy those individual ones that we plug into the wall. Surge protector.
This should make it that it protects all of them, so that way they...
For the entire house, you said?
For the entire house.
So we don't need those ones that we...
Don't need the ones, you can get rid of them.
Huh.
I don't know. I got two of these on the truck. If y'all wanted me to go and install some, and I can just send y'all a quote, y'all approve, whatever, or decline, whichever one y'all want to do. They'll actually be required next year by code. for any new construction houses. But there's a reason why now they're going to start requiring it. So y'all's house don't have to have it, part of the code.
Yeah.
But if this is a brand new construction house, then they would say, hey, James, you have to install it. So.
Okay. All right, good.
That works.
Yeah, you should have it then.
Yeah.
And y'all should have lights by the end of the day tomorrow. Cut on the inside there. So this will we can either mount this on the inside if there's enough room to put it on the inside.
It'd be in here, so it wouldn't affect Tommy.
I gotcha.
Yeah. Or we can mount it on the bottom of them, which will be a whole lot easier install for us. But, you know, we're not here for us, we're here for y'all. So, whatever.
It doesn't matter. The garage here is just
Gotcha.
basically storage here.
Got you. So, if that's something y'all want to do, let me write y'all up a quote real quick. Y'all approve it, I install it. Y'all don't pay me until I'm done.
Okay.
Sound pretty good?
Yeah, sounds good.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Thank y'all.
I appreciate the offer.
Yeah, most definitely.